So what was the last thing you had said? So to count the number of similarities, right?
Yes, count the number of similarities. So, okay, so that's not
Is
the
it?
final, but it is one step forward.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one step forward towards knowing if the number of similarities is equal to the number of characters
Uh-huh.
inside string one and string two. So
Yes.
that is one step closer. It doesn't bring us to 100%
No.
telling us, because that will not work nice if we have double characters. Let's say two I's or two B's.
Yeah.
Okay, but initially, if the two strings are totally different,
Uh-huh.
of different characters, yes, we are able to depend on that condition. So we
Okay.
start little by little, right? So
Yes.
okay, first we say we want to do a counter, right? So
Do you need to do the count function with the like
no, I mean we just count.
count equals 0?
Yes,
You
like
need to
that,
do
and
plus
then
equals?
yes, exactly.
Okay.
We try to do that first.
Okay.
That is the first thing that should come to our mind when we do a counter, right? And then
Yes.
after the for loop, we should say if what? I mean, what is the purpose of that counter? We said we want to check the count.
Of the number of similarities. So now if count equals,
Uh-huh.
well, we don't want to do
Tell me.
one, we don't want to do count equals 1 because if you do that, then you would have to do it for every single number.
Okay. This just notice that this if statement
Uh-huh.
only after the for loop. The for
Okay.
loop is completed once we go we iterate through every
Uh-huh.
character in the string,
Yes.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So okay, after how many similarities now?
Between these two, they're the
Count how many similarities is appearing
4,
here. Four,
4.
right? How
Uh-huh.
many characters here?
5.
Okay, so does these two numbers tell you that we need to formulate something here? 4 and 5.
Yeah, we need to
If
make sure that it's
if
5
there
and
is
5.
so if we have 5 similarities and we have 5 characters, there is a
Uh-huh.
high chance that both are identical. High chance.
Yes.
It's not perfect, but
Uh-huh.
at least high chance.
Uh-huh.
Can we say
Oh,
like that?
is it if count equals length of those strings?
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to
Oh,
reach to you. So
I see.
this give us what we say a high chance
Uh-huh.
if the number of similarities is
Yes.
equal the exact character count, then there is a
Uh,
high chance that they are equal.
yes, that makes
High
perfect sense.
chance. I will tell you what condition this will work and what condition it will not work.
So we need to make another one for string 2.
No, because we assume first. Okay, now
Uh-huh.
let me show you first.
Sure.
Okay, so if I say, okay, let me copy that so I don't have to. Oh, never mind. I don't need to copy. Just PAC and ABC and
Okay.
ABC. See? So, okay, he tell me the result is false. So we need to check. So that is a very simple. We know that both of them have the same length and both of them
Yes.
have the same character, right?
Yes.
So actually, I make a mistake here. I supposed to put 1 instead of 0.
Okay.
So you see the result is true, right?
Yes.
Why
Uh-huh.
is it true? Because
Because the count is equals to the same as the length.
okay. And does this make sense? We are
Yes.
able to rearrange string 2 to make it ABC, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But what if I add here I and add here C.
It should return false.
No, it shouldn't. It will not. It will still return true.
Oh, because the count is the same, or the length is the same as the count.
Length is the same, and okay.
It still has same similar characters, right? That's why.
Yes, except the I. Yes. So
Yes.
every time he checks the C, he will find another C here. Okay.
Okay.
But
Yes.
but I will not return the same. I mean, I will. So this will only work if we count. Okay. So if okay now we are checking what? Can we check
Okay.
this
So
if condition
now,
again?
what did you say?
I want you to read this condition to me again.
If string one I is in string two.
So he will take a character from here
Uh-huh.
and make sure that it have some similarities here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if every character here have something here equal to it, then everything it will always return true. But notice here, I will make a small change. I will move the I from string 2 to make it here. It will return false. So I didn't change anything except that, see, I changed. I put C here,
Okay.
and then I put I here. And this
Okay.
result will become false. Can you
Um,
notice? That is only because of the if condition. We are only here in the current situation, in the current algorithm that we are checking. We are taking every character here. We make sure that there is similar character in it for it in string 2. But but okay, sometimes in string 2 there could be I, there could be Z that is not found in string A. But our condition does not cater for this specific case.
yeah, you're right, because it's just checking if a letter is in, if one letter of that is in the another letter, or you know what I'm trying to say. If one
Yes,
letter, yes.
exactly. Okay.
Okay.
So I would say we might need to
Make another
improve here.
statement of like if a letter is, well, we kind of did that, right? If a letter is not in str2, then we shouldn't run this whole thing.
Yes, that's good, but tell me how to do that.
So like if it has I right here, if str1 I is not in str2, then we don't even need to run the whole thing. Is that
Mm,
that
yes,
make
I agree. Yes, yes, I agree. So pop, 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 pop. You want to exit if there is. Yeah, okay, that makes sense actually. What you said is actually makes sense. But tell me how to implement that. Where
we need to add it?
to put your if statement?
What did you need to put it before?
You mean here?
Like right under the comment? Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's try. Okay, what to write?
So if str one of I not in str2,
Okay,
uh,
should
can you
return
just put
false
some,
like that.
yeah, yes. But then we have a lot of return falses. But anyways, just want to see if it works.
Yeah, but we need to change here a bit because okay, that condition should return true as previous. But you see, still, so it means that what we have done here does
Uh-huh.
not manage to catch
Oh,
that
because it's,
specific condition. So because again here the modification or what
uh-huh.
we should focus is that we need to improve that if condition. Yes,
Okay.
what you are saying is not bad. I mean,
Yes.
yes, but we need to sharpen the focus a bit. That we should not only check what is here and compare
Hmm.
it to here. We also need to make sure that what is here also uh, is we are able to find it here. So we
Okay.
need both sides. We need to check on both sides. So I would
Mm,
say as a start, what if we add something here? So we make it like an and,
yeah.
and we check. But what we need to check here? So we at the moment from here we are checking the character from here
Uh-huh.
into if it is in string 2. Can we do
Yes.
the opposite?
Yeah, we could.
So how?
The same thing str2 I in str1.
Okay.
Okay, wait, could you run this? Let me see what it looks like. Okay. Just return some similarities again.
So okay. Can you hear me well? Can you hear me well? Hello? Hello, hello. Moise, I cannot hear you. Moise, I cannot hear you. Hello?